Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Shar, and it's Tablescape Tuesday, so I wanted to upload my Tablescape because my new table came in. I'm so excited. Can't wait for the chairs. But let me tell y'all, in my mind, I was thinking like I wanted an impactful wall statement. So I ordered these tiles and they ended up not giving me the look that I wanted. I found them to be too big for the space. I should have went smaller if anything. And in the end, I just decided to send them back. But these acrylic drink stirrers came in from Amazon. So those are cute. I'm going to set that on my bar. I'm supposed to be assembling at some point. And then I went to Home Goods because I wanted some more stemware for the table I knew was coming in. And I found these for about $5 a glass. And then I went to Ross that same day and found these for $3 a glass. So you know what's happening? Yes, the Home Good glasses are going back. What a find. And I did pick up these cute glasses my daughter said looks like Harry Potter. She's like, Mommy, why do you have Harry Potter glasses? I'm like, I don't. Okay, so this peacock, I couldn't really decide if I needed two of them at each end of the table or was I doing too much. But anyway, when my table came in, I ordered it from Amazon, by the way. It was well packed, y'all. I mean, it was well packed. And nothing was broken. Nothing was missing. But the box was huge. And so we got it upstairs, we assembled it, and I've been in love ever since. And I found this cute table runner a few days later from Ross. I love the black and white heart design. And I picked up some new Valentine's Day tea towels because you always need those, right? So for Tablescape Tuesday, I do have the marble heart coasters on the table. And here's my dilemma. Dollar Tree chargers, the ones that are in the black, and even possibly the ones in the gold, I can't find them. So I have matched chargers on the plate setting because I can't find four of them like I need. It's kind of a bummer, but maybe, as I keep looking, they'll bring them back, etc. And then I'll be able to complete my set. So this table arrangement, I already had it from Christmas. I still like it, so I'm going to leave it. I like the candle holders as they are. I'll leave that as well. And then I just finished it out with some napkins, a gold ring, and some black utensils. So this back wall now that has it's sort of like a French-inspired print there. I thought that maybe I wouldn't use this because I wanted something a little bit more contemporary. But honestly, I love this picture. This picture was Kirkland's hottest item 10 years ago. It's like $150 and I just had to have it. And I've loved it ever since. And I kind of think that maybe by just framing it out with a nice frame will kind of contemporize it a little bit. But I want to keep it because I want it to still have a part of what I love that's antique because I'm still that girl. I still like my shabby chic and my French country decor, just not as much as I used to, that's all. So I'm going to keep the print. We will frame it out. We have so many projects planned for this kitchen. We are painting everything, fresh coat of paint. We're going to redo the floors. We're going to run the same floors that we put into the living room. We're going to run them into the kitchen. New chandelier, my beautiful chairs, of course. And then we are going to do the countertops. We're going to do the cabinets and the backsplash. And it will look so pretty. I can't wait to really update this kitchen. And then we'll just keep working our way through the house as needed. But the kitchen renovation is going to keep us busy for a little bit because, we like to go out a lot. So we have to take our time and space these projects out, honey. Other dilemma we have, there's a big black cord running through the back of this wall for the cable, and the cable boxes are there. So I need a nice way to camouflage that, make it look better, nicer, cuter, fancier, whatever. And I have some other fun projects coming up, but I feel like this kitchen reno is really going to be, just taking all of my attention, which I'm excited about. I'm so excited. And my husband's going to do a lot of the work because he's very, very good at that. And I'm grateful for that we don't really have to pay someone to do a lot of these things. He knows how to do it, and he's really great with his hands. So I think that's all of the update I have for you today. If you have any feedback for me, let me know. Oh, you know what? Also, my chairs, the original chairs I had for this table, they were too small. And I think I ended up switching the chairs for that reason. I wanted something more substantial because the table is a little big for the space. I really don't have room for a lot of little chairs or a table behind the table, like a console or buffet table. So I'm going to just leave the kitchen as it is, just a table and 4 chairs. Well, that's all I have for this week. Until next time. Thank you for watching.